Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a voiceover in Canva, so let's get right into it. So let's say, for example, you are in a presentation or in a video. I think videos are even better, and you want to add your own voiceover. Let me just delete this audio right here. If you want to add a voiceover, you can do a couple of things. You can go into uploads, then go into audio, and then from audio you can click record me and then just allow your microphone without your camera, or just disable your camera, and you'll very easily be able to record your own voice lines. However, if you record it in another program, you can very easily just drag and drop the audio file and you'll be able to actually add it to your presentation or your video or whatever it is. You can also go to sound. If you go into applications and scroll down, you will find the sound note icon. Click on that and then you have a couple of options which you can use. However, this is already pre-existing audio. However, you can also do a couple of things as well, such as using a text to voice. You can just go into an AI tool, use text to voice, create an account, and use it in your videos, and that will also give you a voiceover. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.